So I welcome you all for our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a famous reaction, that is Cannizaro reaction. So before studying any reaction, it is very important to learn that what is the substrate, what kind of reagent you are going to use, and what will be the product you are going to get in this reaction. So in this reaction the substrate will be aldehyde. So what is the substrate? Substrate is nothing but the reactant which we are going to use in the reaction. So in Cannizaro reaction, aldehyde is a substrate. So can we use all aldehydes in Cannizaro reaction? No. So the main condition for the aldehyde which we are going to use in Cannizaro reaction, the aldehyde should not contain any alpha hydrogen. Then only the aldehyde will be used in this Cannizaro reaction. Second, the Cannizaro reaction is also known as disproportionation reaction. So disproportionation reaction means the same substrate or the same compound will undergo oxidation as well as reduction. That is disproportionation reaction. Remember, disproportionation is entirely different from redox reaction. In case of redox reaction, one substrate will undergo oxidation, the other will undergo reduction simultaneously. But in case of disproportionation reaction, the same substrate will undergo oxidation as well as the reduction. Right. So coming to the reaction, for Cannizaro reaction, the substrate will be aldehyde, which reacts in presence of concentrated base to give alcohol and carboxylic acid. Two products are possible. As I said earlier, this is a disproportionation reaction, which means this aldehyde will undergo oxidation as well as reduction. So this aldehyde will undergo oxidation to give carboxylic acid, and the same aldehyde will undergo reduction to give this alcohol. Right. So coming to the example, we take benzaldehyde. So what is benzaldehyde? Benzene, the CHO group. As you know, the CHO group is an aldehyde group, is directly attached to the benzene. So this is benzaldehyde, reacts with the concentrated sodium hydroxide. So if you see here, I already put that concentrated base, any kind of concentrated base we can use, which means we can use concentrated sodium hydroxide or concentrated potassium hydroxide. So this benzaldehyde will undergo oxidation as well as reduction. This benzaldehyde undergo oxidation to give benzoic acid, and the same benzaldehyde will undergo reduction to give benzyl alcohol. You may be surprised that this, according to the concept which I said earlier, here only benzoic acid will be the product, but the benzoic acid formed in the reaction will react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium salt of benzoic acid. Listen carefully. According to the reaction, the preferred product is benzoic acid, but after the formation of benzoic acid, the formed benzoic acid will react with this concentrated base, this acid, and this base reacts and form a sodium salt of benzoic acid. Thank you.